Sambona Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Tomorrow is Bafana Bafana versus Zimbabwe. So now I'm going to show you the weaknesses as a Zim, right? So I hope the guys will be watching. If it's your first time watching, please subscribe, please like, and please share. I'm going to show you their weakness and their strength. Then their weakness is their spine, both their central defenders and their central midfielders and Umuson. So they play a 4-4-1-1, right? So for us to win, we have to keep the ball. We have to move the ball. Let me show you. Niyazi mina, I show you what I talk about. So I'm gonna stop it here, right? So this is the 4 here. Then Umusona is gonna come and pick this guy. This central midfielder likes to focus on the number 10. I'm not sure Uguti he was told to man mark him, but he likes to focus on the number 10. So githi kuzobe kuumbule lo. Hopefully kuzobe kudlala yena. Now, this is Umusona uzofuna ukupressa la. But watch this guy in the midfield, he's free. This guy is what? Caught in two minds. He's gonna go where? Here. It's too late. Now, what I want you to watch, I want you to look at this space between this center back and this center back. It's too much space. Don't forget what I'm saying. This space between the two. This number 8 is actually, the guy that cleans up. He moves a lot, he runs a lot, but he's not technically disciplined. He doesn't stay in his position. Second clip, Angola has the ball. Here's the number 8 marking the number 10. Yeah, Angola. Watch him. He focuses too much on the number 10 instead of focusing or keeping a position yakila. What I said, remember what I said, Uguti, the communication between the two center backs and the two central midfielders, boy for Onje, it's very bad. Now look at this space, Sila. What ends up happening, he leaves this guy, Uzala. It's too late again. Remember what I said? Watch the space. Look at the space between these two central midfielders. This guy should have played the ball here. Because this guy, Wenzeni, he's too late. He moves around a lot. Angola Yenzani, they missed this chance. This was a warning. I always talk about the warning before the goal. Guti, ihlale iza. Now, watch what's going to happen. Yes. Ha. Both the central midfielders and the central defenders abekho mnandi. Yadliwa lokugini? Yebo. Poor finishing. The central defenders and the central midfielders, they don't communicate. La, who empty phakathi nendawo. We have to capitalize. We can't lose against this team. They are not tactically disciplined. This is a winger. Nangu Musona playing as a 10. Sharp. If Angola, they play the ball backwards. He presses the ball. Now look at this side. There's two here. Abe Angola, 2 Abe Zim. He goes and press there. Focus on this guy. He shifts across. Uyaphelela. Now look at the space here. These guys are not tactically disciplined. The ball comes back to the right hand side or the left hand side. This guy wenzani uyabuya. In this game bafethu, we need to play Umbatha noMokoena. It doesn't matter ukuthi kudlala bani ku number 10. Noma bangafaka uSipho Chain, as long as we have that two in the midfield, siyawina la. Watch. Remember I spoke about the space here. Now watch Angola. Goal. The space between the two center backs, sihlale sikhona. What we need to do, we need to keep the ball, we need to move the ball. We cannot have uSithole noMokoena sitting as a double pivot. We can't have that. In this game, Hugo Bros, you can't play those two. One last issue of Izim being exposed in the middle. This guy, man, he's always late. Yeah, boy. Oopsie. He's always late. Lona angimazi lo ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe yini. Umsebenzi wakhe angiwazi. I showed you their weakness. Now let me show you their strength. We have to keep the ball, Bafethu. I repeat, we have to keep the ball, not lose the ball easily, because their strength is to counter attack. We have this thing these days of playing the ball long, naughty. If we do that, we mustn't lose it. We have to be sure, because they will play on a counter attack or break attack. Watch, this is their strength. This is their dangerous weapon. The number 12 is their dangerous weapon. Forget about Umusona. This guy is very dangerous. He is their most dangerous weapon. We have to look after him. Umutau on the right, Melam Lock, Melam Key. Otherwise, he's going to give us too many problems. Here's the counter. Throw in Angola. They counter. This is the only way, or their most dangerous weapon is this number 12. Even though Muswana scored this goal, that number 12 is gonna be a problem. Yes, he might not score, but I think he's gonna create a lot of problems for us. We don't need to win this game, right? We don't need to win this game to qualify. And that's why I think Hugo Bros, he's going to play uSithole noMokoena as a double six. And no man, I don't like that combination. But at the same time, as a coach, you look what's important. Is it a win or is it a draw? A win is not important, but for us to qualify is important. As if I'm told. But if you do get me, please subscribe, please like, please share. Thank you for watching.